Guys, so now some slime ASMRs. Let me just grab this slime. So this is the first slime. It did not come in this container. You're still videoing? Yeah. It did not come in this container. We literally have not felt these at all. So,
Is it nice?
This is a weird texture. I like it, but like when you stretch it, it kind of feels a bit elasticy look. And if you stretch it hard, and like quick, it goes like that. But if you stretch it quite slow or normal, it's right. Crunchiness, out of 10, this crunchiness is about 1. Okay, pokey test. Not so loud, guys. Stretchiness. Really high. It could go further, but you can't really see it on camera. Now let's try. Was this supposed to be fluffy slime?
Yes.
I'm going to try it and spread it. Guys, it's literally a butter slime. What? I think they should call this a butter slime. That's a bit annoying, isn't it, though? Oh, well. Now I'm going to try it and do an Instagram as well. It's really hard to do with this one. It's probably going to be a fail, Instagram one. Okay, guys, so out of 10, 10 being the best, I kind of rate this slime a 5. But this slime, to be honest, I would have saved my money. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next slime, number 2.
Number 2, you can show it.
Oh, you want? Okay, guys, so we're not sure which was number 2. We kind of don't really agree, but we're just going to go with this as number 2 now, so just ignore the other ones. Yeah, this is number 2, guys. Okay, so clicky test first. At a clickiness, out of 10, guys, I rate this a 9. What do you rate it, Evie?
I rate it a 9 as well.
I would rate it a 10, but it's kind of hard to click a bit. But, okay. I'm going to try and be quiet now because you guys need to hear it. Okay, stretchiness. Oh my gosh, my hands. Oh wow. Okay, right. Instagram swirl. Insta swirls time. Well, it kind of broke, but let's just try it. Right, I'm going to roll it a bit first, because just for it to come back together. Okay, there we go. Guys, comment down below if I'm definitely doing this wrong, because I feel like it's just this slime. This one's a bit rubbery to do this, but I think it was a bit overactivated. Okay, guys. Next slime.
Next slime.
Okay, guys, so yes, these are all in a different containers. I think that these two are the only ones that are in a different container because we had to swap the containers. We did not touch it, we poured it because the containers kind of leaked everywhere. So yeah, this is slime number 3. This is kind of a bit homemade. Well, this one's not homemade, but the other clear one was, so yeah. Okay, so clicky test. I rate this a 8. What do you rate it, Evie?
I don't know.
Listen. I might rate it a 6, but I'm just going to rate this a 7.
I'm going to rate it a 8.
I've done a 7. Okay.
Stretchy.
Wait there. Stretchiness. This one might be quite good for slime swirls. Let's try it. Oh wait, crackly. We are going to crackle it after done the slime swirl. Okay, Instagram swirl. Okay, guys, so this number 4. We think. We're not sure which order, but we're just gonna name this one number 4. This colour's a bit, but it's quite nice. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Wait there, guys. Okay, guys. So, clickiness. I rate this a 5.
I'd rate it a 6. No, I'd rate it a 2.
That's really low. Okay, it's just well.
It's just it's just
Guys, comment down below what you think Evie's laughing about so bad. She's like bright red behind the camera. Woo! Okay. You done with the book? That's a quite good one. I break it. Okay, now I'm gonna do this really cool thing. We've only just like Googled it up because Evie was like, you have to do this. It's in an ASMR, and I was like, okay, yikes, Evie. And we Googled it, and then this is what you do. So apparently you hold it like that. Is that right?
Yeah.
And then like let it drop to the floor.
Yeah.
Evie,
I know.
just look down at it. And then apparently you're supposed to close it. Okay, guys. Number 5.
Number 5.
Okay, guys. Oh. Ew, this one's really watery. Look. Guys, this one's not. I think this is a fail. It's stretchy though.
A bit.
I'm not. This is me trying to stretch it. And it's invisible. This is such a really stretchy slime. It like stretches from the ceiling to here. It's like it's invisible. Evie, you got your hair in one of the milkshakes. Okay, guys, so clicky test. Look down at it. I rate this a 2.
I rate it about a 1.
Okay. Look down at it. Look down at it.
Okay. Dun, dun, dun.
Stretchy test. Insta swirl. Oh, guys, look at that amazing Instagram swirl.
Dun,
3,
dun,
2, 1. Presentating the amazing Instagram
Dun,
swirl.
dun.
Show them my amazing Instagram swirl.
Whoa! Hang on, Bobby, don't ruin it. Don't ruin it yet.
That's my amazing Instagram swirl.
Whoa! Ew.
Okay, guys. Slime number 6, the final slime.
Slime
Let's get started.
number 6. Go.
Okay, guys, slime number 6, and it came in this like really weird container, unicorn poo putty, and it says the guy at the store said it was slime. So as soon as you get it out, it's this really pretty color. Okay, so clicky test. I'll rate that a 9.
I don't know.
Okay, right. Okay, so I'm gonna do the new thing. Okay.
Poppy.
Oh, sorry, I'm on the charger. Sorry, guys. The camera's charging, so yeah. Okay, I'm doing the new thing. We can try slime bubble after. Okay, guys. So overall, if I bought all these slimes, which I did, I would probably. What would you do? I would spend it. It's worth spending. Also, this video isn't done yet because look, listen to this.
Ew.
I'm gonna trump. I'm gonna trump. I'm gonna trump. Okay, guys, so that's it for today's video. Bye.
Bye. Hang on.